hands down has been a staple of ours. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Levy Life and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I haven't really done anything like fall related, but hey, it's going to be fall, y'all, so why not start with one of my favorites, a one pot meal. One thing that I really enjoy about fall and winter is busting out with my crock pot, slow cooking, and anything one pot meal. I mean, it's simple, it's delicious, it's hearty, and let's face it, it's just easy, especially when you have leftovers. Today's recipe is going to be a country goulash skillet. Now, if you guys follow me in my vlogs, I have shared this, and on Instagram at Dee Levy Life, I believe I had shared that in one of my stories. I found this ground beef magazine somewhere in the grocery store on, you know, when you wait at the cashier line and they have all those magazines there. This just really caught my eye, and I'm so glad it did. I have found so many new favorite recipes for my family in this magazine, and the country goulash skillet is in this magazine. I'm also happy because this video is part of the collab with my friends Leona at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, and also her co-host is Stephanie at Creatively
Miss Me's with Stephanie.
So make sure you go check out their channels and their videos and their fall one pot meal. Super excited. I love finding new recipes, don't you? Let's get started.
I'll make sure to include the recipe in the description box, so don't you worry. The ingredients of this recipe calls for at least 1 pound of ground beef, 3 cups of cooked macaroni, Worcestershire sauce, a can of stewed tomatoes, a can of cream of mushroom, and either fresh, frozen, or canned corn. 1 medium pepper, I used a bell pepper, and 1 medium white onion. At first, I'll start cooking the macaroni pasta while prepping the rest. Carefully chop up your onion and pepper. Use as much onions as you want. For us, I think I used only about 3/4 of my onion. I felt like my onion was big, but it totally is up to your own preference. In a large skillet, cook beef over medium heat until no longer pink and then drain. Of course, you can substitute the ground beef with ground turkey. The recipe calls for 3 cups of macaroni pasta, which is 6 to 8 servings, a lot for only the 3 of us, but it's great for leftovers and particularly great for a freezer meal. After browning your ground beef, it's time to add in the cream of mushroom, your stewed tomatoes, to the skillet, along with your onions, your pepper, and corn. Recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, but I prefer 2 or 3 tablespoons for a boost of flavor. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat. Cover skillet to let it simmer for about 25 minutes. If you'd like to add a dash of salt and pepper, this would be the best time to do so. Next, stir in your cooked macaroni and let it heat through by stirring it well. The country goulash skillet dish smells amazing. I really never tried goulash meal before until this one. I am looking forward to finding and trying more of these. Super simple, full of flavor, and easy on the budget.
I'm telling you, that recipe, hands down, has been a staple of ours ever since I first made it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys give this meal a try. Remember to go check out Leona's and Stephanie's video and everybody else in the collab, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, it's fall, y'all. Even though I'm in like 80-something degree heat. That's okay. Make sure to click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below what is your favorite fall one pot meal.